Dani Speegle is an American famous personality, CrossFit athlete, fitness instructor, sportsperson, and entrepreneur. Dani Speegle is a name that was already revered in the CrossFit community well before she won in the female division of the NBC Titan Games. Dani Speegle has a long list of personal records at the gym that rival many in the world. Dani Speegle has shown she has the intelligence and the mindset to take her fitness game to the next level every single time. She has been in a relationship with fellow CrossFit athlete Alex Gordon. She is beloved by many and is always showing her social media supporters just how effortless she makes CrossFit look. As 2021 opened up, Dani Speegle took her success to her fans to inspire them to crush her goals. Dani Speegle showed she had what it took to become something big in fitness from her earliest days of athletics. In 2019, Dani posted some very impressive results, coming in 5th worldwide for the CrossFit Open and 1st in the USA. That same year, she placed 27th at the CrossFit Games during her first time competing in this prestigious competition. Come 2018, she was seen as a CrossFitter to be worried about by her competitors and became 80 in the world, 9 in Southeast, 8 in Florida, and 50th in the United States. She spent her childhood enjoying sports such as soccer and diving, two sports that require skills that are desperately needed to succeed in CrossFit. As far as training goes, Dani's favorite activities are heavy compound weights that help her get stronger. She pairs this with isolation movements and conditioning work that target specific areas. Dani Speegle tries to chip away at her weakness over time while focusing on her strengths. In her teenage years, Dani began making her athletic prowess show by expanding her versatility in sports. Soon she was participating in volleyball and track, while in college she participated in whatever she could, with her primary passion being just engaging in fitness and sport to compete and succeed. Dani Speegle's athletic career shows that she has the taste for the win. Just after college, she began working with the gym coach Asante Richards. By September 2015, he was encouraging her to try her hand at CrossFit. She found success early and began competing in 2015. By 2018, she was ranked 8th in Florida and 80th in the world. Dani Speegle is a staunch proponent of the clean diet, much like many other CrossFit athletes. She doesn't cut too many foods from her diet, but focuses on healthy eating that nourishes. She has also been known to be inspired by fellow CrossFit athlete Brooke Ens, who she was described as inspiring in multiple ways. In 2020, when she won the NBC Titan Games, she took the victory to Instagram to thank her supporters and those whom had told her she was an inspiration. She even thanked her fellow competitors. She calls herself a fierce competitor, which is evident when you see her compete with the fittest in the world. As far as training goes, she says that hard work and consistency is what it's all about. Even when she doesn't feel like working out, she's do it anyway and she sticks to her plan no matter what it takes. She certainly has the mental toughness necessary to be one of the top CrossFit athletes in the world. In 2018, she achieved her first major breakthrough, winning the 2018 Southeast Regional CrossFit event.